Okay, here's the current development now. And this is the inside of the row house with 21 floor area and 41 lot area. So it consists of the living room, the dining, and then the restroom. And there is a dirty kitchen, a space for the dirty kitchen. Let's see. And of course, there's a...
It's already tiled, right?
Yes, this is the finish of the turnover unit. Although this is to be single-story outside, it has a loft overflow that will be for 2 bedrooms. So according to the developer, once the purchase, you can change anything on the inside. So this space.
After 2 years.
No.
Oh,
You can change
okay.
everything at once.
Okay.
After 2 years, the outside.
Outside.
So this one can be extended for another bedroom.